Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my February, yes that's right, I said February, even though this arrived in March, Petit Vour unboxing. So before we get started, I'm going to ask you, click that like button, subscribe if you are interested, and comment along the way if you have any thoughts on this video. I would love to interact with you guys. So, this box typically, before all the crazy weather and pandemic-y stuff, was arriving to my house about mid-month, post mid-month, so around the 17th, 18th of the month. This particular box did not even ship until, well, the label was printed the 21st. I don't think it shipped until the 23rd of February. Now, I know there was a lot of stuff going on in the center of the country, weather-wise, and in Texas. So there was a lot of craziness going on, postal and otherwise. So perhaps that kind of delayed the company getting their various items to include in the box. That's what I'm thinking pushed out the shipments, and then the shipment itself took, I guess, the standard amount of days to get to me. So my hair is looking crazy. Anyway, so I'm a little annoyed with that. I know that there are outside circumstances that had happened, but considering how this used to arrive, or when this used to arrive, for it to arrive literally in March for the February box feels a little meh, but I'm gonna give them the benefit of the doubt that there were life, pandemic, weather circumstances going on. My hair is looking wild today. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get to looking at what is in this box. And that's also why I didn't have a Monday video. It was a dual reason, because I was waiting on this box to get here, and also we were away for the weekend. We had to go to Austin's mom and grandma's condo because they decided to buy a 65-inch TV, and can't neither of them lift a 65-inch TV. Yeah, so we had to help them with that. Anyway, here is the card for the month. I really like this doodly pink scale design. I think this is really beautiful. And the creme de la cruelty free. I don't know if that's on every card or not. I'm just noticing that now. So this is our February 2021 box. So let's go ahead and get started with the first item. So this is Elite Cosmetics, and it is their Koi lip color. So this is their lip color pencil. It says this is a $22 value, which is pretty sweet, for 3 grams, formulated with low environmental emissions and CosmoCert ingredients. This long-lasting pencil allows you to effortlessly apply color to your lips as a liner or as a full coverage color. So as you can see, the tip is kind of red, so I'm betting this is another red. Yep. Oh! That glides on really, really nicely. Really nicely. So, like with every other stinking box, come on, focus. Anyway, like with every other box, this has a red for February. So original. But it is a really pretty color. It went on really smooth, and as per usual, I will make sure to point out if I'm wearing this in a future video. Next item we have is from Vour, and I tend to be hit or miss with their products. I think I have the lip treatment really right here on my desk because I like that a lot. And then I've been given a bronzer from them in one of these boxes that was way too dark for me, so that had to be given to a friend. And then this is the Perfecting Potion, which I actually think I've already gotten in another box, but I want to say I like it, so I'll keep this. So let's read about it. It says this is a $28 value for 10 milliliters. That seems a little steep personally for something this small. Get a natural healthy glow with this velvety multi-use illuminating primer. The breathable ultra thin formula naturally adjusts to your own skin tone, delivering rich moisture for a hydrated, dewy finish. So this is how it comes in. Little squeeze tube, and it's got kind of a nozzle type tip. Yeah, I definitely have one of these. It's just does not want to focus today. But yeah, I can tell you from that one that this is a nice little product. So quite pleased with that, because it's something I know I'll actually use, and I always love when I get something that I know I will use. Okay, next item from one of my not so favorite brands that frequents many of these beauty boxes. It is from Goldfaden MD. It is the Problem Dull Complexion Doctor's Scrub Ruby Crystal Microderm Exfoliator. So it comes in this little tube. If it wants to focus, I swear these things never want to focus. And open it up. Here's what it looks like. It's very whipped in nature. You could tell there's granules in there, but they're very fine. Yeah, really fine. So let's read about this. So it says this is 5 milliliters and it's a $3.75 value for this amount. A daily facial exfoliator that adds hydration and removes dead surface skin, revealing brightening. Whoever writes these cards, sometimes I wonder, I'm like, did their copy editor take any English courses ever? Because some of this writing, but anyway, removes dead surface skin, revealing brighter, radiant, healthier looking skin. That sentence makes sense. I'm not gonna get into the grammar policing here, but anyway, it says it's hydrating while being an exfoliator, which gives me the impression that it's gonna be one of those things that leaves behind a film, which I generally don't like, but I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. I have been sort of trying to steer away from physical exfoliants, but the grains in here seem really small, so I'll probably end up giving it a try and letting you guys know what I think. The last item in the box is this, and this is David's Premium Natural Toothpaste. So it's fluoride-free, sulfate-free, and a peppermint scent. Let's go ahead and open this up. And here is the tube. Very chic, kind of minty gray. It says this is a $3.50 value, so that's nice and affordable, which is really nice, and it's 1.75 ounces. This natural whitening anti-plaque toothpaste is as clean as they come, EWG certified, fluoride and SLS free. So it seems like it's just a solid toothpaste. It's in a nice, pretty tiny container, which would probably be good for travel. I don't know what is the limit for traveling? Is it 4 ounces? Something like that? I don't remember off the top of my head. None of us are traveling right now anyway, but this is probably a good size for traveling. I find that the little mini travel ones that they usually sell in travel sections at stores are too small. Like, that's not gonna last you a whole extended trip if you're staying a week or more, so this is actually a really nice size. So in conclusion, let's look at what we got. Always fun when we get a lip color, and it seems like it's gonna be a really nice, soft, smooth, creamy lip color. I'm not all that jazzed that it's red since we've gotten so many reds lately, but it does seem like it's going to be a nice formulation. I've gotten this before in another box, but it is a product I like and I know will use. You can't have too much toothpaste, so that's pretty cool. And while I'm not super excited about a Goldfaden MD product, since I don't care for most of what the brand puts out, I will say the granules in this are very small for a physical exfoliant, so I think it might actually be a nice product, but we'll have to try. We'll have to try. If it leaves behind a film, it's gonna be a no-go for me. But overall, pretty good box. I think this is stuff that I will definitely use, and I'm quite pleased with it. I don't see myself giving away any of these to friends, which is nice. So overall, not a bad showing, even though it was pretty late. I pretty much liked everything in this February Petit Vour box. So I would love to know, did you get these same items? Are you excited for them? I would also like to know, because I don't see anything written on the card about this, Did everyone get the same color from this Elite Cosmetics pencil, or was it just me getting the red and other colors have gone out? I'd like to know that, because I just think that's interesting when other people get certain other things. And otherwise, that is the video. If you enjoyed it, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. I feel frantic for some reason. I feel like getting this video done, but I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you all later. Bye!